Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying all of my videos. In today's video, I am sharing with you some most unique and amazing ideas of crochet doilies. You will see very attractive and gorgeous designs in this video, and simple and beginner friendly patterns are shared in this video, as you can see. And most of these designs are just made with double crochet stitch, which is the most quickest and easiest stitch to make in double crochet, because almost 90% of the crochet projects contain double crochet stitch as major stitch in them. So you can see all of these designs are mostly made with double crochet, circle, and then different kinds of border patterns are made using shell stitches mostly. And all of these designs are really attractive. You will see most of the designs in round shape and chain one lines at different places as well. Most of the designs are made with the same pattern, which is made like 12 double crochets in the start in round circle, and then after increasing stitch simply chain one is made, and that's how chain one is made in every round at the same place. And line is made of holes like this one and all other designs as well. And then for shell stitches, you can see most of the designs are having a V stitch, and shell stitch is made on that V stitch by making 5 to 6 double crochet stitches in the same V stitch pattern, and then same pattern with increasing stitches are repeated for 2 or 3 shell stitch borders. All of these designs are having different borders, as you can see, and all of them are really attractive and gorgeous. So you can just take a screenshot of any specific design which you like the most and you want to make, and you can make it by yourself at home just with the help of picture if you know crochet work. Otherwise, you can follow the tutorial videos which are available on my channel as well. I have tutorial videos of spiral lace doily, simple round coaster tutorials are available, granny tutorial are available, and all other type of patterns are available. So many of the designs which I have made video about are also included in this video. So you can watch the tutorial videos available on my channel USA and UK Fashion, and you can make them very easily at home. Otherwise, you can also purchase them from etsy.com. It's a big platform worldwide to provide handmade products, so you can visit Etsy to purchase them as well. Stay connected to get more tutorial videos and ideas videos of crochet work. Thank you for watching. Bye.